Ano sa mga taon na nagkaubos niya ng mga presyo na itong mga palito nun nga premium ang gitaw na siya nagsaka wala go kita nga nagkaubos niya itong mga presyo. Ikaw ba ang klaseng tao nga mopalit og mahal basta nalay value or okay lang nimo na dali maguba basta barato? Kung mobayad man gani ka, unsa may mga basis nimo na ma-satisfy ka sa imong gibayad? Or what if imong ibayad dili kwarta kundi imong kaugalingon? Ato na istriyahan ka man na episode.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is Imoha Podcast.
Atong istriyahan about prices, but before that, atong paminahan kung kinsa itong mga sponsors. So I know it sounds so intriguing no na ang imuhang kaugalingon ang ibayad. I know mo laan sige paminahon sa kabalog ko na judgmental kita ng mga tao, but I really mean it. Everybody has its own price, or everything has its own price, whether you buy stuff or maybe during the negotiation, no, or even the things that you want to pursue, no, or like your goals, your dreams, like nga ganahan ka na makaton ani, or ganahan lang ka na undangon ning usa ka butang nga lisod undangon. So I remember the days when I quit something, no. So during the early days of my college, I smoked for 3 years because of my peers nga kailangan yun na mag-smoke and something like that, no. And after that one, I don't see any value of smoking. So munang makingon ko nga, okay, I really need to quit this one. So after that one, for 11 years, I really quit smoking. Nang balik na ko kadali o tila ko balik og smoke, it's because I was so depressed at that time, and that was 4 years ago. And monte siya mga panahon ng lisod ang mga panahon no, na I know I have that depression as well. But wala gyud ko kitag unsay value sa smoking, so I still quit smoking. So mo na siya. And along those years I also quit soft drinks, no, and dili ko ganahan sa kanang katamis sa soft drinks, and I really don't like the fizz of the soft drinks, but I like more on the beer. So I prefer the beer. I like the bitterness, I don't like the sweetness, and I like the straight up shots, no. And kung nakapaminaw mo sa ako ang mga episodes before that, I was an alcoholic before, no, but I normalized already my drinking habits over the years. So that was since 2017, and wala na ko ga inom, and then not really na kanang wala ga inom, but I don't have the need of the alcohol now. And the last time na nag-inom mi sa akong Paris na duha lang ganito ka botilya kanang mga 330 ml nga beer. Mapanan ko kahilantan no na basig makaingon siguro ko ba nga tiniguang na masugan nga ako no, and yeah, those are the parts that I really quit things, no. And makingon sila ba na you know, you don't give up, no, you don't quit anything, no, but I think quitting is a must nowadays, as long as it will not give you the benefit of doing it, no. So I think that's the thing na, and I think you need to quit things for, no. So I really paid the prices pod because of quitting those things na wala ko nakakita sa mga amigo for those smoking friends, my drinking buddies, no. And wala na kay ko ga kuan sila ga socialize. It's because I need to quit the smoking, and I really need to quit drinking as well, no. So muna ako mga alibay before nga may ko di na ko ganahan mo inom kay tiniguang na ning ako, no. So muna siya akong mga alibay before. So and yeah, those are my sacrifices for those good things. And the same thing po na sa katong college degree na ako, no. I got my college degree at the age of 34, and I know those are the times where I have the sleepless nights and also the early morning rush, no. And napa ko yung mga trabaho atong stressful and demanding job, and I worked 2 jobs at that time, and one was kanang part-time, but one is a full-time, and then after that one there's side hustles in between just to pay the bills lang, you know. And also I have a lot of research in different sides like here and there, no, and napa ko yung mga thesis nga ako ang i-pass during that month. So and yeah, those are the things good really na ako pong mga sacrifices, and those are the prices that I paid. And also when the time when I worked too much during the COVID time, kanalaging gusto ka matabaho, and then mo ubos na imong immune system, and then that's the time na nagka-COVID ko, and those are the prices, no, na ako ang gibayad. It's because I really worked too much, and then I forgot my health na nagka-COVID na noon ko, and I was isolated, and all the symptoms na nako, and then buto siya panahon na nagka-COVID ko, and though that was the prices na akong gibayad pud sa akong mga panahon nga sige po trabaho, and then makalimot pud sa mga kaugalingon, no. The point that I really want to make here is that we can do all these things, no. We are free to do all those things, but ang ako lang is that be responsible of what you do, and be also accountable on what will happen, no. And what I mean about responsibility and accountability is that I'm responsible of doing this, na ako ang kailangan buhaton para lang gyud mo buhat ni siyang mga trabaho, and then this task I'm so responsible with this one, And accountability is that if anything goes wrong with your task nga imong gibuhat, you're accountable, no? And ikaw may una manabag, and also ikaw accountable kung unsa man gud ani mahitabuan, no? And that's where you pay the price, whether you quit the existing bad habits or acquiring the new good habits, no? And the price is always there, whether a good price or maybe a bad price. And then you all know that there's always be a price in between, no? And this applies in your daily life. Na everybody has its own price, and the currency comes in different forms, no? And everything that goes with the flow, that's actually the currency, whether a money, a life, a situation, or maybe a relationship, no? And the people has its own price. Like you as a person, no, na nanabaho ka, you have your own price, no? Dili ka makalaag every day kay kailangan ka mo trabaho, and that's the price already. It's because that's the bargain, right? And it's the same also with the families, no? You cannot have two families unless na higit siguro kung unsa gid ka maayo, no, na pwede nimo kaya ng lima ka pamilya, no? But in one way or another, you will lose the other family. It's because you cannot have those things, no? And then those are the currencies, and those are the prices, no? Na you cannot have a lot of families. But also, if you want to quit smoking today, no, and you will maybe lose your friends, no? But that's the price you need to pay. And then also, if you don't quit, then okay lang, no? And then magkasakit ka, and the same thing, no? That's the price that you want to pay. Kung sa physics pa lang gisulti ba na the Newton's third law of motion, na in every action there's always been equal and opposite reaction, no? So mo na siya ikuan, no? Kung sa Bisaya pa, laag today and pass mo later, no? And sometimes it's a matter of making decision, no? And then whether you decide na buhaton ni, and that's already the price. And if you decide na dili po ni buhaton, and that's the price already, no? And not making the decision is already a decision. So yeah, good luck for that, right? So better make a decision now. So diha matapos itong episode about prices, and just a question lang before I will end it. So this is the question for today. So what are the prices that you are willing to pay? Are you the expensive one or are you the cheap one? So please comment below or like, share, follow, or asa mo dapitan na me know. Maybe you're in the Spotify, Apple Podcast, Google Podcast. Maybe you are in YouTube. So you have that option to comment or like or share. So please do. I hope I give you a value to your day. And ay lagkalimti basta magluto, maglimpyo, manghugas, manglaba, magkaon, maginusara. Kanina podcast para sa imo, ha. I really hope to see you in the next episode. And you know, I always love you. And I really do. Please take care. Bye bye for now.